Welcome to today's Exam English Booster. We're going to learn 20 advanced English words that appear often in Dawn editorials and competitive exams. These words will improve your reading, writing, and vocabulary for CSS, FPSC, IBA, and beyond. Let's start with the first 5. Pragmatic, meaning practical and realistic. Ambiguous, something unclear. Austerity, strict economic measures. Stagnation, lack of growth. And polarization, division between groups. Moving on, we have precarious, unstable or risky. Repercussions, consequences of an action. Consensus, general agreement. Mitigate, reduce harmful effects. And dire, extremely serious. Next, resilient, able to recover quickly. Inflationary, related to rising prices. Disparity, inequality. Subsidy, government support. And escalation, increase or intensification. Finally, facilitate, make easier. Scrutiny, close examination. Alleviate, relieve. Dilemma, difficult choice. And conundrum, complex problem. Repeat each word. Use it in your own sentence. And soon you'll see these advanced words appearing naturally in exams, news articles, and formal English. This is your daily practice for mastering Dawn-style vocabulary and becoming a confident English speaker.